Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out something little bit different but super practical. The LETOUR magnetic rechargeable headlamp, which is actually quite good when you have problems or something issues in the dark. So this is a 2-pack capable up to 2000 lumens, headlamp support, magnets, folding design, USB-C charging and multiple lighting modes including a red emergency strobe. I've been using these out in the real world and let me show you why actually it's worth having. Let's go! Let's start with the unboxing, nothing dramatic. Inside the box you get 2 magnetic COB work lights, USB-C charging cables, a headlamp strap, which is a great bonus, basic paperwork and instructions. What I really amaze is the build quality. It's made from ABS plastic with a rugged finish and weighing 92 grams each, light but durable. Rated IPX6 splash proof, so no worries about rain or outdoor conditions. The 180 degrees adjustable folding stand and magnetic back make hands-free lighting super easy. Stick it to the car hood, a metal beam or angle it on the ground. There's also a battery level indicator, so you always know how much light you've got left. And now let's speak about the features. So in terms of what it can do, it's really bright, up to 2000 lumens, which is more than enough to light up a whole workspace or the front of the car at night. You can tap the button to switch between a brighter or softer white light depending on what you're doing. And there are red modes too, including a red flashing one for emergencies, which is perfect if you stuck roadside and need to be seen. There's a battery indicator on the back, so you always know how much light you've got left, and it charges through USB-C with a built-in battery that lasts a few hours depending on brightness, up to 4 to 8 hours. And the whole thing is designed for hands-free use, a strong magnet on the back and a folding stand so you can angle the light exactly where you need it. Or you can just use the strap and wear it as a headlamp when you need both hands. So I've actually been using these in real situations. One of the first times I needed it when I had to top up the electricity meter outside at night. It was completely dark, freezing, the usual UK weather, so I just threw it on as a headlamp. Hands-free, bright enough to see what I was doing, and I could get in and out quickly. Then I tried it on the car. I opened the hood and just stuck it magnetically to the metal, and it lit the whole engine bay with no shadows. I also tried it as a headlamp again, and depending on the angle, both ways worked perfectly. I also used it in the shed trying to find something in the back. One click and the whole space lit up. Way better than a phone torch that only lights up a tiny spot. And if you ever break down roadside, that red strobe mode is a lifesaver. It makes you super visible to the traffic from a distance, so you are not just sitting in the dark hoping cars see you. And now let's wrap up, guys. So yeah, after using these in real situation, I can genuinely say I love this product. This one of those things you don't think about it until you actually need it, and then you're so glad you've got it. The brightness, the magnet, the headlamp strap, everything just makes sense. And for the price, especially as a 2-pack, it's honestly really good value. I absolutely 100% recommended these if you want something reliable in your car, in your toolbox, in the shed or camping bag. A huge thanks to LETOUR to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. And for you guys, if you want to check this out for yourself, I leave the link below in the description. So it was Akos from ATechFlow, it was a lamp from LETOUR, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.